Welcome to Life Automated. We are a cutting-edge AI automation agency dedicated to revolutionizing business and personal performance. By leveraging AI, we help businesses and individuals streamline operations, increase social media presence, and save valuable time and money. Our mission is simple. We want to help you automate your tasks so you can maximize your time. We provide digital marketing solutions, business process and operation automations, and customized AI voice agents. We use AI-powered tools and solutions to maximize audience engagement, streamline tasks, and provide 5-star customer service. Our content creation uses intelligent, high-quality content that's tailored specifically for your audience. With our social media management services, we combine AI insights to optimize scheduling, engagement, and analytics. And finally, our AI automation voice agents provide custom solutions to automate workflows, promote smarter decision-making, and generate leads and maintain customer relationships. Our innovative technology stack includes AI-driven content and campaign optimization tools, automated scheduling, monitoring, and performance analytics platforms, along with state-of-the-art AI for audience insights, workflow automation, and creative services. These tools help our team to ensure precision, efficiency, and measurable growth. Let our team help you increase your online presence. We provide cross-platform automated scheduling and posting. This means we do all the work for you. We can generate original content that reflects your brand with real-time engagement monitoring, auto responses, and performance tracking for continuous improvement. We can also craft customized AI-powered business solutions to give you back more time while still maintaining the level of service your clients are accustomed to. Don't delay, give Life Automated a call or visit us online. We look forward to working with you.